So hello guys, this is Harshi from Karim's YouTube channel. So in this video I just gonna explain you how to decrease a clip opacity in Premiere Pro. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. So firstly, drag and drop your clip from source to timeline. So here is my clip, right? So now what you're gonna do is just simply go to effects control over here. If you didn't have this option, now just go to window and here you can see effects controls. Just enable it and then this effect control will be enabled. Now here you can see opacity. From here you can decrease and increase the opacity level, right? So this is how you can decrease or increase opacity in Premiere Pro. So thank you for watching.